Alright guys, good day and welcome. We have this question from PCE 1990, question 20, where we are asked to simplify the expression 1 divided by 3x minus 3 plus 1 divided by 5x minus 5. Quickly, we'll dive into this by writing solution. We write solution. Next, we copy out our expression. We have 1 divided by 3x minus 3 plus 1 divided by 5x minus 5. Now, we first of all, what we do is factor out the constants at both denominators. And so we have 1 divided by a factor of 3. Okay, we have a bracket open x minus 1 bracket close plus 1 divided by, here we factor at 5, and we're left with x minus 1 bracket close. Next, we find the LCM of our denominators. In order for us to do this, we draw a line, do this, we also divide it here. So, at this end, we have brackets open, x minus 1 bracket close. We'll have 3 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close, 5 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. Now, 3 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close divided by bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close, we're left with 3. Now, 5 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close divided by bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close, we're left with 5. Next, we divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. By 5, we write 5 here because it can't divide it. Now we divide by 5, we're left with 1, 1. Therefore, RLCM is equal to 3 times 5 times bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. And this gives us equal to 15 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. Now we continue our solving by writing our expression 1 divided by 3 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close plus 1 divided by 5 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. This is all equal to, write down our LCM, 15 divided by x minus 1 bracket close. Now, 3 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. We use this to divide 15 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close, and we end up having 5. 5 times 1 gives us 5 plus 15 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close divided by 5 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. We're left with 3. 3 times 1 gives us 3. All right. Now, 5 plus 3, we have 8 at our numerator, while at our denominator, we have 15 bracket open, x minus 1 bracket close. These are our final answer to this expression. Thank you.